How to fix Telegram download stuck. So if you're trying to download something on your Telegram and if the download has been stuck, then what you can do is first you need to check your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then your download will be stuck. And if you have checked your internet connection and if it's still not working, then you can open up your Play Store. Once you've opened, go for the search and then search for Telegram. And once you've searched for Telegram, here you will have the application, and if you have an update option instead of that open option, then simply go for update, tap on that update and update your application. And once you've updated, then your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then simply tap and hold on to that Telegram application, and now you can go for the app info, which is the icon. Go for storage and cache, and here if you have an iOS device, then you can simply offload the application, but if you have an Android, then you can simply go for clear cache. Once you've done this, you can restart your device, and once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix Telegram download stuck problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.